Hello, welcome back to my channel. I've got an unboxing today. It's a mystery box that I bought, probably destashing, and I have no idea what's in the box. I love lucky packets, so I do know there's some paper and there's a set of something. So I received it, so we can have a look. Give it a go. Big box that was wrapped in like cling foam. Flips open. Ooh, okay. So there we go. It's two boxes. There's a mystery box it's labelled as, and a Seven Gypsies box. I'm going to start with a mystery box, and it's labelled, contains an assortment of pattern papers, cardstock, ribbon, flowers, embellishment tags, brads, borders and more. That's actually beautiful. Sticker. Open that up, move that to the side, so we've got some more space. Okay, there we go. These are brads, word brads. And that's all done. Oops. 2 lengths of pom-pom chrome. These are flowers, tags, die cuts maybe, and they're quite, the colours all match. Open it up. So that's some circles and ephemera and things. A whole lot of ribbon. There's one here that's all in green. Oops. There's one here that I'm finding quite interesting. It's like a ruffle. That's quite cute. A ruffle with edging on. There's a bling border strip. Frame, it looks like a 3D printed resin frame actually. Some chipboard, there's a Protea. I love this one with the postage stamp negatives, I'd say. These are good, like coupons. They're sort of buff cards. They seem to be from Seven Gypsies, and these are tags, and they've got little perforated. These are cute spaces for photos, tickets and things. Sticker sheet again. There's some rub-ons. Oh, this is page layout notes. I don't do scrapbooking. And then these are the actual pages, I guess, because they're all marked with matching embellishments and some technique papers and things. Let's have a look. Okay, so goes to one side, and then there's a whole lot of matched papers. Some of them have been cut, but they're all color matched, so you can actually do a lovely either a journal or page or anything like that with it. That's good. That goes with that. Quite nice that they've been color matched. There's another set. These are also, this is a mix. I'm not so good with the paper brand names. Again, that looks like some Stamperia things. There's some frames. Again, all colour match, beautiful papers. So what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 30 by 30s with embellishments. Another set. So lots of papers in this part of the mystery box. So that's good. Oh, these are all neutrals. Single-sided neutrals. But also mostly colour matched. Another set. Again, single colours, some like vintage wallpapery ones, nice. Another set. Okay, so good mystery box. This seems to be more mass. No, it's a mix. This is double-sided. There's some masculine elements, some florals. Text. I like the teal and red actually. Another set. And then the last set. Oopsie, and everything tumbling. Another set of papers. Oh, these are all like more blacks and greys. Okay, very good. Okay, so lots of papers on the first box. Let's go to the second part of the box. In the second part of the box says it's a 7 Gypsies box, and it says contains mini album covers, metal embellishments, photo turns, metal diamond encrusted book rings, 7 Gypsies tags, 5 rolls of paper tape or gaffer tape, and so much more. And that also has the sticker. So I'm very curious about this box. Okay. See, it's stuffed full, so let's have a look. Ooh, I'm already very interested here. Okay, let's have a look. What's in the tin that's making noise? Very nice tin, which I can't get open for the life of me. There we go. These are the rings, the book binding rings. There's some D rings. Those are what numbers on. There's the camera picking that up. Where am I? Very nice. Some metal taggy things. Are they dies? No, they're tags. Okay, so little metal findings. These are very cool. I haven't actually seen those rings. There's no pairs though, so a big stamp that says it's a goal. That's pretty specific for me, but in terms of the mechanism, I mean, you can have something new printed. The shape's good. These are really nice tapes. They're not washy. This is a washi, but it's like a texture, it's like a crepe, like a painter's tape washi. Different, and that's a bookbinder's tape, and that's also, it's a texture of painter's tape, but it's got print on, which is very good. These are called photo turns. Oh, it's those little flappies that I would just use them as normal bling in a journal. And this is a stamp. How does this work? I do like the shapes. this is a stamp. I can't tell you that I quite know how to figure it out. Let me open it. Oh, that's very clever. So that's the lid, and then there's the, and it's already inked, you can see, and so you can stamp on that. There's the next one, and there's the next one. I actually like that it's a stamp and the ink pad sort of built into one, unless this is meant to click into a stamp like this. I don't know. Let's see, can you stamp with this? Let's find out. I have no... Yeah, okay, that's the actual stamp. I like this one a lot, very handy, and that'll be super nice for a journaling bag, because it's, these are good, Rolodex cards. I'm liking this box a lot, and having taken the, they're very cool, and they're a nice stiff, like stiff card. Yeah, that's very good. And how many are there? One, must be 30, I'd say. There's more of these tickery type things that we saw on the first box, first part of the box. And these are also brads. Very blingy, they're very nice. Oh, another bit of this, and I mean it's a full roll. I'm very fascinated by this tape. I don't know if you can tell. See, it's got backing, so you can roll it off and share it basically, because it's only sticky by the time you pull the backing off. Okay, that's cool. I like this tape. It seems somewhat more robust than washi because it's textured, but better. So that's a 7 Gypsies tape if you're looking for something like that. A chipboard alphabet. I'm not a massive chipboard user, but it's all in like a vintage travel-y type. So as far as chipboard alphas go, I like these. Book covers. Let's have a look. I don't know how many are in here. Oh, they hard, like a bookboard. Okay, so if you did something like this with a bookbinder's tape, it's really a nice little journal with the rings maybe. It's a little kit basically. Okay, that's cool. And then there's also some 6x6 bookboard. Let's have a look. These are all products I don't know at all. Okay, these are quite sturdy. Do they give a millimeter here in terms of thickness? They don't say. No. Okay, but you can make 2 little albums. That's actually quite a nice size. That's some inspiration for me, because that can be nice with a fabric spine or something. Okay, all in all, did my mystery box pay off? Yes, I think so. Lots of paper. I like all the like bits and pieces. The only thing that I really don't have an immediate use for is this stamp, and I mean that I can sell on sale or alter, because the stamp is where the cost is, not the disc. So I mean, if you get a chance, treat yourself with a mystery box. Let's say give it a go. This was 450 Rand, I think, for the whole box, so the 2 sets, the 7 Gypsies and the paper. And yeah, it's good quality items. So thanks for watching. Let me know, do you like mystery things? Do you not like mystery things? Would you spend money on something that you had no clue what you're getting? I didn't. I'm quite happy it paid off. Bye bye.